Let's start chapter 1. More about plants. So, in this chapter, we will learn about parts of a plant, types of plants, habitat of plants. Green plants make their own food. First, let's look up the warm-up exercise here. In this picture below, we have different types of plants in the garden. What we have to do? We have to write T for tree, S for shrubs, H for herbs, and C for climbers. Now come to parts of a plant. So, children, do you know different parts of a plant? A plant has many parts. Roots, stem, branches, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, and seeds. And every part of a plant play a very important role. Now understand different parts of a plant. First, roots. Roots mostly grow under the ground. These are roots. The root fixes the plant to the soil. It also provides support to the plant. It helps in taking water and other things needed by the plant from the soil. Now come to stem. Stem mostly grow above the ground. These are stem. The stem bears branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The stem also carries water and food to all the different parts of the plant. Now understand leaves. These are leaves. Leaves are flat green parts of the plant. Leaves of green plants make food for the plant with the help of air, water, and sunlight. Children, do you know leaves are also known as the kitchen of the plant? Now look at the flowers. Flowers grow from birds. These are birds. Flowers also produce fruits. These are fruits. Flowers are beautifully colored and fragrant parts of the plants. They also attract butterflies and other insects. Now in this, what you have to do? You have to observe the plant and label its parts. What are these? These are roots. What is this? It's a stem. What is this? It's a branch. What is this? It's a fruit. What is this? It is a leaf. What is this? It is a bird. What is this? It is a bird. Now come to types of plants. Children, we have seen different types of plants around us. So, there are different types of plants. These are trees. Do you know what are trees? Trees are tall and strong. They have a hard and thick stem called trunk. They have many branches. These are trees. Do you know that trees live for many years? Some may even live for hundreds of years, like a banyan tree and a neem tree. Now come to shrubs. So these all are shrubs. Shrubs are smaller plants which have many stems that grow close to the ground. The stems of shrubs are thin and hard. Shrubs also live for many years. This is hibiscus. This is cotton. These all are shrubs. Now come to herbs. Herbs are very small plants with thin and soft stems. Most herbs live for a few months only. It is coriander. It is mint. These all are herbs. Now come to climbers and creepers. So plants like money plant and pea, they cannot stand on their own. They are having very weak stems, so they need some support. Such plants are called climbers like money plant and pea. Now creepers, these are creepers. Creepers are the plants that grow along the ground. These can be found along the top of the compound wall or as a cover for walls. Pumpkin and cucumber are some examples of creepers. Now come to habitat of plants. So have you seen that some plants found on land, some found on water, and some plants can be found both on land and water. Some plants such as the cactus and aloe vera grow in the desert. Some plants like lotus and water hyacinth grow in water. So that is known as the habitat of plants, where the plants can survive. Now come to green plants make their own food. Do you know plants also make their food? They need sunlight, air and water for making food. They make food only during the day because during day they have sunlight. Where do plants store food? Just as we store extra food in a refrigerator, plants store extra food in their roots, stems, fruits, leaves and seeds. Now come to summary. A plant has many parts: roots, stem, branches, leaves, birds, flowers, fruits and seeds. Trees have a hard and thick stem called trunk. Shrubs have thin and hard stems. Herbs are very small plants with thin and soft stems. Climbers and creepers need support to grow. Plants can be found both on land and in water. Plants make their food in their green leaves. Now come to exercise. Come to A. Oral questions. What is a trunk? A trunk is a hard and thick stem found in trees. Now come to second. Name 3 plant parts where food is stored. Roots, stems and fruits. Now come to B. Tick the correct option. Mint is a herb. Now come to second. The beautiful part of the plant that produces seed is the flower. To make their own food, plants need air, water and sunlight. Now come to C. We have to circle the correct word. So, trees have hard stems. Shrubs have many branches. Herbs have soft stems. Climbers have weak stems. The rice plant lives only for a few months. Now come to D. In this, we have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct word. Trees have thick stems called trunks. Herbs have soft stems and live for few months only. Creepers grow along the ground. Plants grow on land and in water. Plants make their own food in their leaves. Now come to E. Answer the following questions. Which type of plants live for many years? Name any one. Trees live for many years. Banyan is a type of tree. Now come to second. Why do some plants need support to grow? Some plants need support to grow because they have weak stems. How do plants make their own food? Plants make their own food with the help of sunlight, air and water. Now come to 4. Name a plant that grows in water. It is lotus. Take support to grow. It is money plant. Grows in deserts. It is cactus. Lives for many years. It can be banyan. Now come to project idea. What you have to do in this? You have to take a walk around your school. Then you have to compare the sizes of different plants and name at least 2 herbs, 2 shrubs and 2 trees. And this you have to discuss with your friends and teachers.